I really like the wavy hair. Like, I'll show you the back. I'm not sure if I've done it very well. What do you reckon, guys? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can see in the title, we'll be unboxing this and we'll be testing this. So this is from Toni and Guy Deep Barrel WAVER. So actually in the previous video I have opened this and I've showed this in one of my videos. Personally, I haven't really tried it, so this is the time. It's the perfect time to I think so yeah, this is what it looks like. It's got like long, very long wire. Look, very long. It's very long wire. Yeah, this is what it looks like, and this is the lock and unlock. So to unlock this, you just have to click like that. You will hear the click. So it opens, and then this is the heating. This is the heating settings. So I honestly don't know. And then this is on and off wavy. See that big, and unfortunately it doesn't, like, I mean, it can stand here on the table, but I heard that this will heat up very quickly. So this is not very, oh, actually you can stand it up. You can stand it up on the floor on any surface, because it's got this what do you call this? Is this rubber? It's not really rubber, but it's plastic. I think this protects the surface if you put it like that. So yeah, and we have that. I think this is to stop like that if you're doing the hair. So let's do this. This is on. You will know because of the red light. So if you turn it off, lights off. So we want it on, of course, and then they call it temperature control. So we set on our desired heat. We don't want the because I have a fine hair. So we're gonna do the low. Wait, let me see, because the number is confusing. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, and 25. So I think we're just gonna try the 17. Yeah, wait, sorry. So don't worry about this, guys. This is, I think this, yeah, this is the heat support. Oh, actually it actually heats up, but I think it's fine if I put it here. It doesn't have stand, guys, so have to be careful. It heats up very quickly though. Okay, so we're just gonna do my hair, and we have, guys, I'm not professional, okay, so I'll just so let's section our hair. We're just gonna do 2 sections. Wait, let me just brush my hair. So my god, that's very, very hot. Okay, so let's do this. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. I'm shaking, I don't know why. Okay, so are you ready? Oh my god. Okay. All right. So it says 15 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then next. Wait, I think, why is it not? Okay. Oh my god. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is this doing well? Why is my... Oh god. Oh. Oh my god. That's really nice. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, I think I'll try and right, let me just put my like that. I think I'll just put my hair like mirror here. I can't see. Okay, let me. Okay. So just gonna spread my hair. So this, oh, it's hot. 3, 4, 5. This is hot, guys. You can't touch it. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Whoa! Look at this. Okay. The last. Okay, we're just gonna do this. I wish I could hold this, like, but I can't. It's too hot. You can't touch it. I think I'll do this one again because I didn't really. Ooh. Wow.
2,000 years later.
Right, so hello guys, this is what it looks like now. I really like the wavy and the wavy hair. Look, I'll show you the back. I'm not sure if I've done it very well, but yeah. What do you reckon, guys? What do you think? Do you like it? I like it. I really like it. Look at that wavy hair. Wave. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one, and because I really like my hair right now. And yeah, please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and please subscribe if you haven't. And safe everyone. Bye.
Guys, like and subscribe.